Students, how are you today? Today, in today's session, we will review the kinds of sentences. So before we start the session, prepare your practice book, put your practice book in front of you and your pen and eraser. Sharpen your pen and put the eraser and only the pencil, sorry, and the eraser, and pack everything else. Put the pencil, the eraser, and the practice book. I hope that you enjoyed last session's story, which was about the big red lollipop, and it was an entertaining story. Now we will do some grammar, where we will review the kinds of sentences or the types of sentences. As we know that we have four types of sentences, which are the statement, the question, the exclamation, and the comment. So we will have a quick revision for what's a statement or what is a question is, what's an exclamation, and what is a comment. So, as you can see, a sentence is a group of words that tells a complete thought. Any sentence is made up of words. These words serve or give us, a complete meaning. Every sentence, no matter what type it was or it is, it should begin with a capital letter and end with an end mark. And the end mark is the only thing that changes with the change of the type of the sentence. Let us start with a statement. The statement is a sentence that tells something and it ends with a period. Max is my friend. As you can see here, the M is capital and it ends with a period or a point. The H is capital and it ends with a point. He plays with me. Here, the two examples are statements. The first one is telling that Max is my friend, and the second one is telling us that Max, or he, plays with me. The second type is the question. The question is a sentence that asks something. It ends with a question mark. So, till now, we have the statement and the question. The question asks for something and it ends with a question mark. For example, will you play tag? Here we're asking if he could or if he would play tag. Here we're asking someone if he will play tag with, for example, with me. Why not? Okay, so when you're asking for something, this is a question. In addition to the statement and to the question, we have a third type which is called the command. The command is a sentence that tells someone to do something. It also starts with a capital letter and ends with a point. Now we could get confused between a sentence and a command, or a statement, sorry, and a command. Aren't they both the same? Yes, they both start with a capital letter and end with a period. But to know that the sentence in front of us is a statement or a command, we should ask ourselves a certain question. Is this sentence telling something or telling someone to do something? If the sentence was just telling a general idea, then it's a statement. If the sentence is telling someone to do something, then it's a command. A sentence, for example, is like, Ahmad is my friend. This is a sentence. But a command would be like, please close the door, or bring me a cup of tea. These are examples of command where I'm telling someone to do something. Okay, so far we have the statement, the question and the comment. And what's left is the exclamation. An exclamation is a sentence that shows strong feelings. An exclamation begins with a capital letter and ends with an exclamation mark or exclamation point. Here they gave us an example. Maria can really dance. Here they are showing feeling of amusement or excitement that Maria can really dance. This is very nice that Maria can really dance. So when you are showing your feelings or that you're happy of something or excited, then mainly it will be an exclamation. Now let's do an exercise to refresh our memory, mainly about the exclamations and the comments. So, open your practice books to page 32. Write your name above. The instructions here says that circle, comment or exclamation for each sentence. So, in each sentence, if it's a comment, we should circle the word comment. If it's an exclamation, we circle the word exclamation. Let's start with number 1. Have fun at the party. Is this sentence showing feelings or is it telling someone to do something? Remember, a command is telling someone to do something. An exclamation expresses feeling, shows feelings. So here, have fun at the party. Is it telling someone to do something or is it showing excitement and happiness and feelings? True, it's telling someone to have fun at the party. So, it's a command. We circle the word command. And as you can realize, it starts with a capital letter and the command always ends with a point, right? Don't forget this. Now number 2. It is Jen's birthday. It is Jen's birthday. Is it a command or an exclamation? If you circled exclamation, then your answer is correct. Why? Because this sentence is showing feelings of happiness because it's Jen's birthday. They are excited that it's Jen's birthday, right? And to know more, it ends with an exclamation mark, so for sure it's an exclamation, and for sure it begins with a capital letter. Number 3. My family will surprise her. What will you circle? The command or the exclamation? Is it a command? Is it telling someone to do something? Or is it an exclamation? They are excited about something. My family will surprise her. They are excited about the surprise. So it's showing feelings. It's an exclamation and ends with an exclamation mark, as you can see, and begins with a capital letter. Number 4. Do not tell Jen. Excellent. It's a command. You already knew this one because it's telling someone to do not to do something. Here they are telling someone not to tell Jen, right? And it ends with a point or a period. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a point. Here they are telling someone not to tell Jen, so it's a command. Come to my house at noon. Is this a command or an exclamation? Circle the answer. Now I'll correct it. Come to my house at noon is a command. Here we are telling someone to come at someone else's house at noon. It ends with a period and a command for sure ends with a period and begins with a capital letter. Now I'll move to the next exercise on the same page. It's number 6 and 7. Here they are saying that we should rewrite the following sentences with the correct capitalization and punctuation. Here, each sentence maybe doesn't begin with a capital letter, neither does it end with an end mark or punctuation. Okay? Number 6. Pick up another cake. What is the type of this sentence? Pick up another cake. Is it telling something? No, it's not telling something, so it's not a statement. Is it asking something? No, it's not. Is it showing maybe some feelings? No, it's not. So it's asking someone to do something, right? It's a command, and a command always starts with a capital letter, so we write a capital P. Pick up another cake. And as we can remember that the command ends with a point. Don't forget to write the point at the end. Number 7. Tad did a great job. Here they are showing that they are very happy because Tad did a great job. They are proud of Tad. He did a really amazing job, right? So it's obvious that it is an exclamation. That's right. So we will rewrite it correctly. It begins already with a capital letter, so we keep the letter T capital and we write it again on the line. But with what should an exclamation end? The question mark? No. With a period? No. It should end with an exclamation mark. That's right. So this is page 32. Okay, everyone. This is page 32, and when you are done copying the sentences, I'll just leave it for a while so that you could finish up copying sentences. So here, when you're done with the first exercise, you just move to the next one to finish copying the sentence.